Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access battery section. Now scroll all the way down. Click on More Settings at the bottom and click on Performance Mode at the top. Now just tap on High Performance Mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up by selecting Turn On. So when I do that, as you can see, High Performance Mode is on. If you wish to switch it off, just tap on any other one. In my case, no performance improvement. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!